Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Xfinity door sensor battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Locate the specific door sensor that requires a new battery. Before you begin, make sure your Xfinity Home security system is completely disarmed to prevent any accidental alarms from triggering during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and hassle-free battery replacement. Now, let's access the battery compartment. Look closely at the side of your Xfinity door sensor for a small notch or indentation. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist or pry, the sensor's cover should easily pop off. You don't need to apply much force. The design allows for simple removal, revealing the internal components and the battery itself. Be gentle to avoid any damage. With the cover removed, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Gently pry it out of its slot using your screwdriver or even your fingernail. Pay close attention to the polarity markings, usually a plus and minus sign, within the battery compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive side aligns correctly with the plus marking. This ensures proper power flow to your sensor. Finally, it's time to reassemble and test. Carefully align the sensor cover with its base, ensuring all tabs and slots match up. Press firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the cover is securely in place. To confirm everything is working, open and then close the door that the sensor monitors. Check your Xfinity system to verify that the sensor registers as closed when the door is shut, confirming a successful battery change. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.